So here the question is integration under root 1 minus cos 2x into dx. Look at the question carefully. After looking at the question, we realize something, that 1 minus cos 2x is equals to 2 sine square x. Simply we have to substitute 2 sine square x here. So integration of under root 2 sine square x into dx. So let me just separate it. Root 2. As here the square and root gets cancelled, sine x into dx. Root 2 is a constant. Let me keep it out of the integral. Root 2 integration of sine x dx. As we have seen somewhere, integration of sine x dx is nothing but minus cos x. So root 2 minus cos x into dx. No, we are removing the integral part, right? So we have to add the constant c, and this is our final answer.